Okay, so I am just in the middle of filming another video, but my Amazon package came in with the proof of my child's book, and I'm so excited. I can't wait to open it. Something in my eye. Ah! Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Isn't that adorable? I am so excited about this. So this is just a draft of it. I wanted to see it before I publish it. Oh my gosh, the colors! Look at the colors! It's so beautiful! I made this in less than 24 hours. I was just like, I would get one page illustrated and I just was so excited that I could actually put what was in my head on paper for an illustration that I just sat there for hours and hours and hours editing each page. So I wrote this story 2 years ago. It wasn't originally going to be like a book or anything. I was just writing literally a poem for my inner child. I was incredibly sad, the lowest I've ever felt in my life, and I just really felt like I needed to be creative and put something on paper. So basically the story is about Molly. She's a very colorful, happy child, but one day she has a dark cloud show up in her life, and it won't go away. And she's very, very sad, and she doesn't know what to do with it. So the journey is basically about how she lives with this cloud and how she makes her days brighter. And eventually the cloud goes away. And I just think there's a beautiful ending to it too, about the things that she sees afterwards. I can't believe that I made this for free in Canva. I currently have an editor that I hired off of Fiverr for like $28, who is going to correct all my grammar. She said there's only a few things to change. And other than that, this was completely free. I'll read you the first few pages just so that you can kind of get the gist of it. So Molly loves to spend her days in the sun with butterflies, bubbles, and pink chewing gum. Her friends love to join her for a cup of tea, then pack up a lunch and sail the open sea. And when the night falls, she dances under the stars and collects lightning bugs and places them in jars. One day a rain cloud came and sat upon her head. She asked it kindly to leave because she preferred the sun instead. And the rest of it's about the cloud. I love the way it printed. So far, I don't see anything that I think I need to change. I love it so much. I love it so much.